Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to recover your deleted chats on Instagram. For this, first of all, open up your Instagram app, and from here you need to go to your profile, lower right corner, and then three lines, upper right corner, and here select settings and privacy. Now search setting here, download information. This is the option, download your information, and then click on download or transfer information. Here select your profile. I need to download information of my Instagram, so I will select the Instagram and click on next. Then we have two choices here. One is for all available information, and second, a part of information. So because I want to recover my messages this time, so I can just select messages, and other options you can see here. You can download the whole information. After that, click on next and select download to device, and then select the date range and the other options. After that, click on create file. After completing this process, you will receive an email from Instagram on your mailbox. So I will check if I have received a mail, and yes, you can see I have a mail from Instagram. Just open the mail and click on download your information. After that, you can see this is the information. The size is less than 1 MB, so I will just click on download button, and then I will re-enter the password, and then you can see the download is completed. So I have this open button here. You can see this. This is a zip file. So first of all, I will extract and rename. And then you can see these are my files. And from this folder, I can recover my important deleted chats or messages. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.